Kehlani's European leg of her Sweet Sexy Savage tour has unfortunately come to an abrupt end. The singer announced today via Instagram that she must delay the remaining show dates in order to undergo a hernia surgery. While Kehlani has lived with the condition since childhood, she states in the post that it has reached the point where the surgery is necessary, also sharing a picture of what she calls, quote, the squishy ball thing above her belly button. Kehlani has been overseas since the end of February and will return to the United States for the operation. While the new dates for the remaining 11 European shows have yet to be announced, the singer assured her fans that it will all be worked out, stating, quote, yes, we will refund and reschedule. Taking care of this is most important right now. I love you all so much. Thank you for everything. The Sweet Sexy Savage tour is set to begin its American run of show dates April 1st and is so far scheduled to go on as planned. We are sending Kehlani our love and well wishes from the entire Revolt family.